Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take a trade and I will explain you in detail about the setup so that you can apply the same while trading. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is 1 minute candlestick chart, as you can see. So we are analyzing on a smaller time frame. We are going to take a 5-minute trade. This is binary option trading for those who don't know about it. So as you can see right now, the trend is clearly uptrend and market is moving strongly in the upward direction. So first of all, we will try to draw some key levels which we are going to use in this trading session. So I'll start with the with the trend line, and this is an ascending trend line, as you can see. So it is giving support, it is working as a support level, and let's see if we can okay. So this is our trend support level. It's an ascending trend line, and you can see that we got most of the touches on this trend line. So we can say that this is a confirmed trend line. And next thing which I can see here is a descending one, which I'll draw it like this. So we have got a symmetrical triangle pattern here, as you can see. And right now, as the trend is uptrend, so let's see how the market will react and the price action, and then we are going to trade accordingly. As you can see, we are not going to take a breakout here because there is a presence of resistance level, and that's why we cannot risk taking a trade here because the room is very narrow, and I'm not sure if market is going to continue the uptrend or not. So what we will do, we'll just wait for the market to break this horizontal level of resistance, and once market break it, we are not going to take the trade instantly. We will wait for the market to retrace back, and then we are going to take the trade. So what I will do, I'll just remove this trend line, and now we have an ascending triangle pattern. What we will do here, we'll wait for the market to go up, break this level, go up, and then when market starts retracing back, we are going to take the trade from this support level with some confirmation. Or the next thing which we can do is to wait for the market to go down, break this trend support level, and after the retracement we are going to take the trade in this case also. The reason why I wanted to wait for a breakout in the situation is because I can see that market is moving with some good price action. Market is forming higher highs and higher lows, so I think that market will going to retrace back, and I don't see a strong consolidation phase here, and that's why I will take the trade once there is a retracement, or we don't know if what the future holds for us. So we'll just see how the price action will perform. If market got consolidated here, then we can go for a instant breakout trade. Otherwise, if market break easily from these levels, then we are going to wait for the retracement. So this is the whole setup for today's trading session, and let's wait for a clear opportunity, and as soon as I get the opportunity, I will start explaining you the setup. So till then, I'm just forwarding this video, so let's wait. So we have placed a trade in the upward direction. We got the retracement and we got the breakout here also, and the price action also suggested that market should be going up. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily. Now let me explain you the whole setup in detail. So first of all, we will go in the history. When we started this trading session, market was here, and at that time I have explained you that I will wait for the retracement in either case, no matter which way the market will break, because on that time the price action was lenient and I wasn't seeing any price action which is suggesting me that the market is consolidated. I also told you that if market got consolidated in the future, then I will going to take the breakout instantly. Otherwise we will going to wait for the price action to retrace back in either case, if the market breaks it in the upward direction or in the downward direction. In this case, market broke it in the upward direction. Although if you have taken a trade of breakout, here it will be a winning trade. If you have taken a breakout trade here, it will be a winning trade. But the reason why I didn't took this trade after the breakout is simple, because I didn't see the consolidation phase and I was sure that market is going to retrace back, because that is how market moves, and that's why we waited for the market to retrace back. So this was the first thing why I didn't place my trade here. I waited for the market to retrace back, because once there is the retracement, market is going to continue its run. Now if you look carefully here, I didn't place my trade here. The reason is simple, and it's because of the presence of this recently formed, I'll just remove this. Let's go one by one with each candle. So here market was going up, market now got a weaker here, it started to retrace back, it hit this support level. This was a previous support level, as you can see, or you can say it's a demand zone also. Market hit this level and we got a reversal candlestick pattern. It is a good candlestick pattern, but I didn't place the trade here because of the presence of this recently formed resistance. Now this wick shows that market goes up in the past but rejected back. Let me show you in the 5-second chart. Okay, so as you can see, market was here, it got consolidated, it goes down, it retraces back and got rejected, you can see, from this same level. So this was a important level to me, because we are trading over small time frame. All these wicks are important. Now market reverses from this level and it hit the support level which is previously working. Now after that, market formed a good candlestick pattern, but this candlestick pattern was not able to break the recently formed resistance, neither it did hit the level. So we didn't know if market is going to respect it or not. Maybe the case it could turn out to be that market will hit this level and will reject back instantly, and that's why I didn't place the trade here. The reason why I waited for the next candle, let me create a trend and I will just remove everything. So I draw this trend resistance. Now once this is broken, we can say that the market will go up. So this was the breakout and that's why I take the trade here. But there is one more important thing which I focused here. If you look carefully on these 4 candlestick pattern, and if you go on a smaller time frame, you will find that this is nothing but an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you in the 5-second chart. Okay, see, This is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder. And we all know that this is a reversal pattern. Market broke the neckline. I was taking this as the neckline. This was the breakout, and that's why I took this trade. Now I don't have to shift to smaller time frame to watch this, because I can clearly see here the previous rejection came from this level, and again when market goes up, market gives rejection from the very level. It was, for me, was an easy setup. Like, I can see on the 1 minute chart and can understand what is going on the smaller time frame, and you will get all these information with experience. There is no shortcut about it. You will just read chart every day, and in a long run you will understand everything about these VIX rejections and the support level, the recent level, everything that you are required to be a successful trader. So the reason why I took this trade here is because I got a breakout from the resistance. Market also formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern on the smaller scale. You can see the rejection that came from the very level, and it was also a uptrend phase, and we place our trade in the direction of the trend. Market broke the strong resistance level which was here recently, so it was a clear sign that market is going to continue its uptrend. I waited for the market to retrace back because there was no consolidation. Market retraces back, it gives us a reversal pattern, a breakout, a good candlestick confirmation, and that's the reason why we placed the trade, and we won it at the end, because that's how the price action works. Now I'm not saying that these are going to work 100% of the time, but these are the things that you can do to increase your winning ratio. See, there are 50% chances that the market will go up and 50% chances that the market will go down from this particular current position. Your job is to find reasons which will support that. Yes, if you are thinking that the market will go up, you have to find reasons why the market should be going up. And if you find reasons, you can go for a trade in the upward direction. That is your job as a technical analyst here. So there are 50% possibility. See, if you are a beginner, even a beginner, you have a 50% winning ratio, because this is a game of possibility, and there are 50% chances of you winning every trade, because market has to go in either direction. So your job is to find the reason that will support your view, and you have to find evidences that are strong enough that you can trust, so that you can build that confidence while taking the trade. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.